You might be in a situation where I was not too long ago where my Nintendo Switch was not turning on and, it was dead. I'm not going to lie, I didn't play with it for like a week. But then when I went to plug it in, it ended up not even turning on and I started freaking out. And then when it eventually turned on, the screen was on, but like it had like a small little like charging icon up here, but it still wasn't turning on. And I thought I broke it. And I literally just bought it like a week ago before then when that happened. And I'm like, what the heck is going on? And I let it charge for like an hour or two and it still didn't turn on. I was still getting that little screen with the little charging icon up top. So I eventually found a way to fix it by troubleshooting it online. I didn't invent this method. And I know people who would take like 50 minutes talking about it, but literally it's the easiest fix ever. And all you really need to do is just remove the Joy-Con. So if your Nintendo Switch is not turning on and it's not even charging, all you really need to do is just remove the Joy-Cons from your Nintendo Switch, just like so. I'm sure you've done it before. And then from there, your Switch is probably going to be turned off. All you really need to do is just plug in your Nintendo Switch to the USB Type-C port, which I conveniently have right here. Which I conveniently have right here. Now, I didn't plug this one in because it didn't reach, as you guys just saw. And then from there, you want to set it and charge it this way. You don't want to plug in the Joy-Cons yet. You want to keep them separated and just have the actual tablet. You want that charged. The Joy-Cons, they'll be fine. If they don't charge, it's okay, whatever. But the actual tablet, you want that to charge. And then after, I would say about an hour or so, you will probably be able to get into the actual console. So you'll be able to turn it on and everything. You'll get into a page like this, but you'll still be at like 1% or 2%. So what I recommend you to do is just keep it charged up. Don't try to use it while it's charging because it's just going to end up dying again. I really don't know why this keeps happening, and it's only happened to me one time, but it was enough to freak me out, and I honestly thought I broke it. And I was honestly so mad because I literally just bought it, but no, this is a way to fix it. It doesn't require you to open up anything. Your battery's not dead. Your console is still in working condition as long as the screen turns on and you're getting that little battery indication right there. But there might be cases where, maybe your screen isn't fully turning on and your console isn't even turning on at all. And just by removing the Joy-Cons, you're able to just charge the console itself without having the console charge your Joy-Cons at the same time. So it's a super easy fix. I know a lot of people can probably benefit from this, so if you guys have any questions or anything, you can leave them down in the comment section below. Hit that like button if it helped you guys out, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get on this second channel means so much, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. All those links are linked down below. I would really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.